Volhard's method of precipitation titration is a technique to determine the concentration of an anion, such as chloride, phosphate, or chromate, in a solution. It is based on the reaction between the anion and silver nitrate, which forms a precipitate of silver salt. The end point of the titration is indicated by the formation of a red-colored complex of iron, 3-thiocyanate, which occurs when all the anion is consumed and excess silver nitrate reacts with thiocyanate. The iron 3 ion is added as a catalyst and an indicator. The titration is carried out in an acidic medium to prevent the hydrolysis of iron 3 and silver ions 12. The procedure of Volhard's method is as follows. Prepare a standard solution of 0,1 silver nitrate of known concentration. This will be the titrant. Prepare a solution of 0.1 potassium thiocyanate of known concentration. This will be the back titrant. Prepare a solution of ferric alum of known concentration. This will be the indicator and the catalyst. Take a sample of the solution containing the anion of unknown concentration. This will be the analyte. Transfer a measured volume of the analyte to a conical flask using a pipette. Add a few drops of the indicator to the analyte and mix well. The solution should have a yellow color. Fill a burette with the titrant and note the initial reading. Add the titrant to the analyte drop by drop while stirring the flask constantly. Observe the formation of a white or yellow precipitate of silver salt. The solution will remain yellow until the equivalence point is reached. Stop the titration when no more precipitate is formed. This indicates that all the anion has reacted and excess silver nitrate is present in the solution. Note the final reading of the burette and calculate the volume of the titrant used. Fill another burette with the back titrant, potassium thiocyanate, and note the initial reading. Add the back titrant to the same flask containing the excess silver nitrate and the precipitate while stirring the flask vigorously. Observe the color change of the solution. As the back titrant is added, a red-brown precipitate of silver chromate will form. The solution will remain yellow until the end point is reached. Stop the titration when the solution turns red-brown. This indicates that all the excess silver nitrate has reacted and excess thiocyanate is present in the solution. Note the final reading of the burette and calculate the volume of the back titrant used. To calculate the concentration of the anion in the analyte, we can use the following formula. C1V1 RC2V2, where C1 is the concentration of the titrant in mole-liter. V1 is the volume of the titrant used in liter. C2 is the concentration of the analyte in mole-liter. V2 is the volume of the analyte taken in liter.
Joyson Classes. We provide you with valuable and up-to-date knowledge about the pharmacy education. We create entertaining yet informative videos on topics such as chemistry of drugs, biochemical reaction, and much more. Hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon and join our mission to make understanding pharmacy easier for everyone. Like, share, and comment on our videos. We look forward to hearing from you.
Joyson Classes.
The best for best.